In 2021, the BRICS countries, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, contributed $24.44 trillion to the world economy, representing 24% of the total world GDP. In contrast, the G7, US, Canada, England, Germany, Italy, Japan, and France produced about 45% of the total world GDP. In 1990, BRICS produced 11% of world GDP, and the G7 represented 66%. The G7 and BRICS nations represent 11 of the 12 largest world economies. South Africa's economy is the 33rd largest economy in the world. All the infrastructure is being built to de-dollarize the world economy. The Chinese Communist Party's newspaper calls for pushback against the dollar's hedge money. BRICS are actively building a currency and have already opened multiple banks. Russia has already pegged its currency to gold. Multiple signposts are warning of a bleak future for the dollar, and indeed, there will be a divided world economy or unbelievable violence to hold the current economic structure together. BRICS are protecting themselves from the danger of the dollar and building their alliances with physical gold and energy. South Africa is a part of BRICS not because it is a large economy. It just has a lot of gold. The decision to buy gold is straightforward. If the dollar is going to get stronger, buying gold doesn't make sense. If the dollar is going to get weaker, what should you do? You have an important decision to make. Speak with a precious metals specialist. Call 844-703-4266 today.